I will never look at old furniture the same way again after learning this. You won't either. Welcome back to your channel name, DIY Lovers. Today, we're transforming vintage furniture into stunning modern masterpieces. Let's dive in. First up, picking the right piece. Look for solid wood, unique details, and good structure. Avoid deep cracks or missing parts. Found a gem? Great. Time to prep it. Clean off dirt and grime with warm soapy water. Got old paint or varnish? Use a paint stripper or sandpaper. Always sand in the direction of the wood grain. Now let's talk color. Neutrals and pastels for a minimalist vibe. Bold hues like navy blue or deep emerald for drama. I'm going with rich navy and gold accents. High-end look, here we come. Apply high-quality primer, then 2 coats of paint. Sand lightly between coats for a smooth finish. Next, enhance wooden accents with a dark stain. Ready for upholstery? Choose fab fabrics like velvet or faux leather. Remove old fabric, cut new fabric, stretch and staple. Easy peasy. Upgrade hardware with sleek knobs and handles. Measure, drill, and attach. Instant style boost. Add artistic touches like stencils or metallic paint. Less is more. Subtle accents elevate without overwhelming. Finally, seal your masterpiece with polyurethane or clear wax. Let it cure and voila! We turned a plain vintage dresser into a chic modern piece. Which part did you love the most? Comment below, like, and subscribe for more DIY magic. Tag me in your makeovers. I can't wait to see them. Keep creating. When selecting your vintage piece, it's crucial to consider the style and era of the furniture. Mid-century modern, farmhouse, or even Art Deco pieces can be transformed beautifully. Each style has its unique charm and can be modernized with the right techniques. Once you've chosen your piece, the next step is to clean it thoroughly. This is an essential step because any dirt or grime left on the surface can affect the finish of your paint or stain. Use a gentle cleaner and a soft cloth to avoid damaging the wood. After cleaning, it's time to strip any old paint or varnish. This can be done using a chemical paint stripper or by sanding. If you choose to sand, make sure to do it in a well-ventilated area and wear a mask to avoid inhaling dust. Now let's talk about paint. The color you choose can completely transform the look of your furniture. For a modern look, consider using bold, dramatic colors like navy blue, emerald green, or even black. If you prefer a more subtle look, neutrals and pastels are always a good choice. Once you've chosen your paint, apply a high-quality primer to ensure the paint adheres well to the surface. After the primer has dried, apply 2 coats of paint, sanding lightly between each coat for a smooth finish. To add a touch of elegance, consider enhancing the wooden accents with a dark stain. This can bring out the natural beauty of the wood and add depth to your piece. Upholstery can also make a big difference in the overall look of your furniture. Choose high-quality fabrics like velvet or faux leather for a luxurious feel. Remove the old fabric carefully, cut the new fabric to size, and staple it in place. It's a simple process that can have a big impact. Don't forget about the hardware. Upgrading the knobs and handles can instantly modernize your piece. Choose sleek, contemporary designs and make sure to measure and drill accurately for a professional finish. Adding artistic touches like stencils or metallic paint can also elevate your furniture. Remember, less is more. Subtle accents can make a big difference without overwhelming the piece. Finally, seal your masterpiece with a high-quality polyurethane or clear wax. This will protect your work and give it a beautiful finish. Let it cure completely before using the furniture. And there you have it. We've transformed a plain vintage dresser into a chic modern piece. Which part of the process did you enjoy the most? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY magic. And if you try this makeover, tag me in your photos. I can't wait to see your creations. Keep creating and happy DIYing. Remember, the key to a successful furniture transformation is patience and attention to detail. Take your time with each step and enjoy the process. The end result will be worth it. Whether you're a seasoned DIYer or a beginner, transforming vintage furniture can be a fun and rewarding project. So grab your tools and get started on your next masterpiece. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy crafting! Finally, seal your masterpiece with polyurethane or clear wax. Let it cure and voila! We turned a plain vintage dresser into a chic modern piece. Which part did you love the most? Comment below, like, and subscribe for more DIY magic. Tag me in your makeovers. I can't wait to see them. Keep creating. Can't wait to see them. Keep creating.